This is the All-American Prepper. Hello, you YouTubers and fellow survivors. One of the keys to surviving a grid down situation is you must climatize your body to your environment. When there's no electricity, there's going to be no air conditioner. So while you're able to and you have the choice, climatize your body. If you're in the heat down here like I am, you need to get used to the heat. Now do it safely, because people will die from the heat. So I strongly recommend that you climatize your body for your environment. That way, when there's no electricity, your body will be able to handle the heat. And now is a good time to start, because if you get overheated, you can turn your air conditioner back on. When the grid goes down, you're not going to have that choice. So just practice having no grid by turning your air conditioner off. Stay hydrated and slowly introduce your body into long periods of heat. Because if your body is not climatized, if you're used to running from an air conditioning car into the air conditioning house, you would be surprised by sitting out in the heat all day and all night and trying to sleep in the heat, just how hard it is on your body. So after you watch this, go in there and turn your air conditioner off and see how long you can last. Now don't hurt yourself. It's one of those things you got to slowly get used to. And climatize your body, because if you don't do that, you're going to be in a world of hurt as soon as the grid goes down. Second thing you need to do is just in your head, oh, there's no electricity. Look in your refrigerator. What is it that you have in there that will go bad first? Slowly eliminate them things out of your life. I don't use refrigeration, so I don't have that problem. And my body is climatized. But that's number one in a grid down, is having your body able to take the heat. You may think, oh, I can handle the heat. Have you tried? How many years have you gone without air conditioning? Have you slept without air conditioning? Have you gone for days without air conditioning? It's one thing to be out in the heat all day and then retreat back into the air conditioner. It's a whole nother thing not to have no air conditioning at all, ever. So climatize your body. And start eliminating things out of your refrigerator that must be refrigerated. With that, that's tip one. Every day I'm going to come out with a video. But I challenge you to climatize your body, because you're going to have to be able to handle the environment. It is what it is. And right now you have a choice. If you start overheating to where you're feeling you're causing yourself bodily harm, you can turn the air conditioner back on. When the grid goes down, you're not going to be able to do that. So toughen your body up. This is the All-American Prepper. Stay frosty. Well, actually, stay hot for a while. stay strapped, stay ready, and have a blessed day.